Don't just get ahead of the trends, create your own. Hey guys, I'm 3D fashion designer Jon Sánchez. Customize your cloth avatar from head to toe, from adjusting physical features like skin to adding accessories. Create sleek and innovate high-tech looks by exploring a range of textures and styles, from leather to metals, Streetwear to cyberpunk. What makes a garment truly stand out is quality. We will work to the millimeter on silhouettes and shapes, elevating your design with unmatched precision. Trends move fast, but the digital world moves faster. Take this chance to level up your design expertise and dominate the fashion world. I'm Jon Sánchez, a 3D fashion designer, and I will be waiting for you at Colosso.